I covered everybody else up, but Remy is insisting on coming out. Everyone else is on my lap, covered up. They calm down whenever I cover them up. They're all taking baths, I can hear them. Big. Oh, yeah. Ram. Such a booger. Get booger, you monkey. It's exciting to see a towel, huh? Look at, oh, eat babies. As soon as they see light, they just go completely wacko. Look at kitty. Miss Charlotte. Come on, there. Why guys can't you just chill? Look, everybody else is chilling out. Why can't you chill? Oh, for heaven's sake. Look at Mom. Spot's getting ready to sneak away. He thinks he's so slick, but see, Mommy sees him. He's gonna do it again because he thinks he's so smart, and he's not gonna make it. See? Pug's after somebody's tail. That was really funny. Oh, my monkey rats. You look like mice, but you're rats. Yeah. You're a little bit bigger than mice. Where'd you? You just keep trying to escape. Bug, I don't need though. You don't need though. You don't need though. Somebody's about to go up my arm sleeve. Oh, my little monkeys. Say, Mommy, let us go. Fine, go. Explore, be free. Just don't go up my shorts again. It makes Mommy do a jig. Free roaming. I knew it. Smokey and Bandit are trying to go up my sleeve. Oh, there goes the clone babies. See? It's not as easy as you thought it was, huh, Puck? They're afraid to get down. Bandit's all chicken boy. He's all chicken boy. Look, Roxy's the only one that's sound asleep. Goober. Get up there. Where's everybody else? Everybody else is in the towel somewhere. It's probably a really crappy video, but oh, they got their own little playhouse in my folds of my towel. Look, see, there's some more. They're having fun. Pug is attempting to escape, but it's not working. Miss Charlotte, are you chattering? Hi, Templeton. Goofy. Pug gets scared. Gets scared. Look at him. Look. Look. He's gonna do it. He's gonna make it. Oh, he did it. He broke free. Say no, Mommy, no. No, I was so close. He's gonna do it again. Look at him. Such a booger. Got a bunch of writhing babies on my lap. And those colors crap. Oh, you guys are such a bunch of monkeys. Oh, there goes Bug. Oh, he's running away. He's up my sword.